I can see.
So, you guys, I got this cicada bug in here. Do you guys want to see it?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen one?
No. Wow. Can I touch it?
Mm-hmm.
Do it has a stinger?
I don't think it has a stinger at all.
Do it have sharp claws?
Nope.
But it holded me when I touched it.
You know, I think those are its little, like feet, right?
But why does it hold us when
Here,
we touch
I'll turn it. Let's turn it so it's up on its feet, right? So it can get on its feet. There we go. There. Yeah, it was in the grass. In some places, they'll get millions of them. And they'll make a kind of a buzzing noise.
Daddy.
Look at it. Can you see? How many eyes does it have?
2. Can we put it back outside?
Yeah.
Daddy, did you know scorpions have it back outside?
Okay.
Did you know scorpions have more eyes than 2?
They
More
do?
eyes.
More? How many, do you know? No. Okay, Milo wants to let it out. Let it free outside. Oh, it